If you are a franchisor in Australia, your insurance program needs to reflect the complexity of operating a business that both runs its own operations and licenses its system to a network of franchisees. Your liability exposure extends across your own business activities, the advice and support you provide to franchisees, and the reputational risks that come from operating a branded network where a franchisee's actions can reflect on the entire system. Here is what cover franchisors need, what it typically costs, and how to approach comparing policies. Professional indemnity insurance is important for franchisors because of the advice, training, and support you provide to franchisees. If a franchisee suffers a financial loss that they attribute to inadequate training, incorrect operational guidance, a flawed operations manual, or poor site selection advice from the franchisor, a professional indemnity claim can follow. As franchisors take on increasing obligations under the Franchising Code of Conduct, professional indemnity exposure is growing. Management liability insurance covers the personal liability of the franchisor's directors and officers for management decisions and covers the company for employment practices liability. For a franchisor with a growing head office team and a network of franchises to manage, management liability is a prudent and important coverage. Public liability insurance covers third-party injury and property damage arising from your head office operations, events, franchise conferences, and training facilities. Franchisor-run events bring together franchisees, their staff, and in some cases customers, all of which create general liability exposure. Cyber liability insurance is relevant for franchisors holding franchisee financial data, customer data through any network-wide loyalty or ordering systems, and sensitive commercial information. A cyber incident affecting franchisee data or network systems creates both direct liability and reputational damage across the entire franchise network. Business interruption insurance covers revenue loss if an insured event disrupts your head office operations. For a franchisor whose royalty and support fee income depends on the continued operation of franchisees, disruption to head office creates cascading effects on the network. Product liability insurance is relevant if your franchise system involves branded products that you supply to franchisees for resale. If a product sold through your network causes harm to a customer, product liability responds to the resulting claim. What does it cost? Franchisor insurance costs reflect the scale of the network, the type of franchise system, and the specific risks of the business model. Professional indemnity, management liability, and cyber liability are the key covers and the most significant premium components. Work with an advisor who understands franchise business structures. Use the free Business Insurance Finder at Reliable Business Tools to find the right cover for your franchise business. Answer a few questions and get matched with relevant options. No obligation.